Senator Risa Ontiveros is recognized once again.
Salamat, Mr. Chair, at maraming salamat po, Senate President.
Is that 2 minutes or 3 minutes? 3 minutes.
Maraming salamat po. So, yung NCR Regional Director po ng DPWH, sino po?
Si R.D. Gerard Opolencia po. Wala po siya ngayon Your Honor.
Bakit po wala? Akala ko narinig ko kanina, Mr. Chair, na
Parang
andito ang NCR.
Naka-sick leave po yata.
Naka-sick leave. Aha. Okay, paano ba to? Okay. Tanungin ko ulit sina Engineer Protesta. So teka, yung inamin na dati sa amin ng mga diskaya na nagbayad sila sa DPWH.
Excuse me, Senator Risa.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
We can now excuse Secretary Remulla unless there are members who wish to ask questions.
One only.
I'm sorry, Secretary, you cannot leave yet. Thank you. Please continue, Senator Risa.
Secretary Boying, merong legal proposition kanina si Senator Ontiveros to which you agreed. What was it? What did you agree on?
I have. Please refresh my memory. I would like to hear it again so that we can have the good gentleman.
If I may, Mr. Chair, on state witness discharge and restitution. While restitution is not a statutory prerequisite for discharge under Rule 119 or admission under RA 6981, it is sound prosecutorial practice to require it as a condition for recommending state witness status. Technically, once an accused is discharged and acquitted by operation of law, both criminal and implied civil liability in the case are extinguished, leaving the state to pursue separate civil or forfeiture actions that are cumbersome, protracted, and often ineffective. By conditioning discharge on restitution or turnover of ill-gotten assets, prosecutors safeguard the public interest, obviate the need for parallel recovery proceedings, and balance the grant of immunity with accountability. This practice ensures that while the state secures indispensable testimony, it likewise secures tangible recovery for both government and the offended parties. Mr. Chair.
To which you agreed on, Secretary Boying.
Yes, sir.
What did you agree then? That
Sir,
it is no longer...
Even though it is not found in the specific provision of the law of the Witness Protection Program, of course there are provisions that touch upon it somehow. It is really incumbent upon us to recover as much as possible for the government in this case. And coming up with solutions such as this, asking them for restitution from the very beginning, will save us a lot of time unless we wanted to wait till the end of any litigation, which can take years before the government gets something. So that is, sir, I think that is a sound practice, sir.
How will you do that? For example, in the case of the Discayas, how much are you going to ask them to restitute?
Sir, we will need a forensic accountant to look at all their contracts, to be able to look at what was illegally acquired, so that we can ask them to return what we believe is illegally acquired.
Considering that the law is very explicit about this, that in applying for witness protection, restitution is not there, because restitution will come in only after the case has been resolved by the court. Only the court can determine how much should be restituted to the government. Because, as I have said, the civil liability is impliedly restituted in the criminal prosecution. So, ma-abuse mo ang discretion mo dyan, sapagkat hindi natin madidetermine. There can be abuse there. No? It's either excess or lack of jurisdiction. Let the law process take its course. Hindi yung babaligtarin po ninyo ang nilalaman ng batas. Mawawala po tayo. That is the only one that I would like to make clear to everybody, Mr. Chair. Thank you.
Yes. We have 3 minutes because we have to suspend at 3:20 because we have to refer to the lounge to accommodate the BIR for an executive session. So we're having our session at 4 o'clock. Anyway, we'll have all the time on Thursday because when I suspend at 3:20, we'll have to come back here on Thursday at 9 o'clock, and we'll have the whole day to discuss all these things. So, Senator Risa, he wants to interject? Senator Padilla?
Opo, Mr.
All right,
Chairman.
Mr. Chair.
Opo, salamat po kasi kanina po nagbigay na ako kasi aalis po sila eh. Opo, magtatanong lang po ako. Opo.
You have
Sorry, Mr. Chair and
hanggang
good
3:20.
Senator. Akala ko interjection dun sa line of questioning ko kasi meron po akong
hindi
tanong
follow-up.
tungkol sa Quezon City.
Sa Thursday ka na lang kasamang Robin.
Salamat, Mr. Chair, at salamat to the good gentleman. Bago ako magpatuloy sa Quezon City, andito po ba si Mr. Diskaya, Mr. Chair? Sir Diskaya?
Yes po, Your Honor.
So, binigyan nyo nga ba si Engineer Protesta?
Your Honor, kadalasan po, katulad din po ng binanggit po nila Bryce, yung kalakaran din po sa kanilang lugar. Every collection po, nagbibigay po ng 8.5% kung magkano po yung halaga ng voucher. Pero dito naman po, mababa lang naman po. Ano lang po,
Pero
parang,
magkano?
parang 3 to 5% lang po every collection po.
So still,
Kung magkano
nagbigay
ang-
kayo ng 3 to 5%. At kay DE Protesta din.
Your Honor, hindi po.
Sir, paalalahanan ko po kayo inamin nyo na previously sa komite na may mga binayaran kayo sa Quezon City. Pinangalanan nyo pa po na sina DE Loida, DE Devanadera at DE Protesta. Binabali nyo na ba yun ngayon?
Hindi po, Your Honor, kasi kadalasan naman po, may tao po silang tagatanggap at kadalasan po, nako-confirm ko naman po sa kanila kung dumating na po.
Kaya nga po, so kinonfirm nyo na nakatanggap yung mga ibinigay ninyo, ibinayad nyo sa Quezon City, pati kay DE Protesta.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Alright, so salamat for confirming that, Mr. Chair. Ang narinig nyo po yan na Engineer Protesta, pinabubulaanan po yung sinasabi nyong hindi kayo nakatanggap ng bayad sa mag-asawang Diskaya.
Yes po, Your Honor. Wala po. Hindi ko po.
Sige. Matter of ano na yan, proof on the part of the committee kung sino sa inyo nagsasabi ng totoo at sino ang hindi. Ilaktawan ko yung mga tanong ko dapat sa DPWH NCR Regional Director. May huli po akong ipapakitang
Senator
slide.
Risa,
Yes, Mr. Chair.
I'm sorry.
I see the time,
This
Mr. Chair.
hearing
Salamat po.
is suspended until Thursday, September 25 at 9 o'clock in the morning. Thank you very much.